Hi, are you a chatbot user? If you are, check this video out. We're going to show you how to leverage webhooks with APINation.com to go ahead and connect that chatbot to your CRM of choice. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to connect it to Mailchimp. So I'm going to search in my apps for webhooks to begin with. That's going to be my first app. I'm then going to go ahead and select Mailchimp from this selection for my second app. And what I want to do is go ahead and trigger the webhook to send data to create a contact in my Mailchimp account. So we're going to use this third option down at the bottom. Simply click on Activate, and we're going to go ahead and make a new connection. So I'm going to go ahead and connect here, and we're going to use inbound. This is basically telling the system that we want to go ahead and catch some raw data coming in from our chatbot via a webhook. So I'm going to generate a link here. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use Landbot.io. They have a really cool native webhook builder that you can leverage to go ahead and send that data over to our URL endpoint. So I'm going to plug in that URL, which I just created. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. Now, you should be familiar with some of your chat widgets by now, but most of them have a native webhook creating tool that you can leverage in the same sort of way. So I'm going to go ahead and click test my webhook, and I'm going to head back into APINation.com and test this hook. So we have all of our details and all of our information there. So we're going to go ahead and click on Finish. Now next, I'm going to go ahead and select my Mailchimp account that I've already connected to. If you haven't made a connection yet, go ahead and do that now. Follow those instructions as you click on Connect. So the audience I'm going to go ahead and select is API Nation, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Subscribe. Now all I have left to do is mapping, if it does not auto-map, which we can see here it did not. So we're going to go ahead and map. So we're going to type in email. We're going to, if we have any of these other details, we're going to go ahead and put those in. If we have a phone number, we'd put that in as well. But for this demonstration, we kept it simple, just first and last name, as well as email, and maybe some notes, but we don't have a notes section here. So we're going to go ahead and activate the sync. We're done. Let's go ahead and test it, see how it works. So we're going to head over to our chatbot, and I'm going to type in my first name. I'm going to go ahead and type in my last name, which this is just some mock data. So we're going to add some fake data here. So we're going to go ahead and say, and we're going to go ahead and select this, and we'll type in notes. So testing webhook. And we'll go ahead and send that. Now let's head back into API Nation. And when we refresh this log, here in a moment, we should see that information coming over. All right, so we could see it processing here, and here in a moment, we should get a simple success in all of these fields, which it looks like we have gotten. Now we can head over to our Mailchimp account and check this to make sure that it's been updated. So we'll go into Mailchimp and let me get logged in here. Give me a second there. So we'll get logged in. And then basically all I need to do now is go ahead and look into my contacts. So we'll go to my audiences dashboard, and within here we see we got 3 contacts. So if we click on those 3 contacts, we'll be able to now see that contact. There it is. Ernest Bretzall via API. So a really cool way to get audiences out of your chat bots into things like Mailchimp that can then kick off some sort of campaign or some sort of email send, but a really cool way to leverage API Nation's Webhooks app with chat widgets. Hopefully you found this useful. If you have any other questions, please contact our support team, and we'd be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.